What's up, friends? We're back. We're back at my favorite park, Epcot, for another night of Food and Wine Festival treats and tasties. And we're gonna hit up the rides that we missed last time. We're gonna pass on Spaceship Earth until a little bit later. I wanna head towards Mission Space because I wanna do that first before I eat, because it is not a good idea to eat before you do Mission Space. And as always with Mission Space, I do the orange side. I do not do the green side. As I like to say, I'm not a green baby. Nah, it's okay. I understand that there's a lot of people who don't like the orange version of Mission Space. They'd much prefer the green mission or not to do it at all. But I want the intensity. I want the ride the way it was designed to be done. So that's why I'm gonna go get in line for Mission Space. What's up, friends? How we doing? I am out here in front of Mission Space, probably one of the most intense rides in all of Epcot, maybe even all of Disney, because it is a simulator of what it is like to be launched into space. That's why it's called Mission Space. It's got a 15-minute wait right now. I don't particularly remember what the height requirement is, but there is one for at least the orange side. I'm not sure about the green side. I never do the green side. I want to do the orange side. It's more intense, it's more fun. So that's what I'm going to go do right now, and I'm going to take you with me. Hope you guys enjoy. In addition to being one of the more intense rides here at Epcot and on all of Disney, the new Space 220 restaurant has also now finally opened, and it is crazy expensive, so I won't be eating there. Maybe someday. I would definitely like to try it out sometime. I want to experience that elevator ride into space that takes you to the restaurant. It really seems really cool, but well, we're not doing that today. We're gonna go ahead and get on the orange mission to Mars. See you guys on the rocket. As always, exit through the gift shop, get to see the space stuff. Here are the alien stuff, there's Stitch. Oh, and there's some Star Wars stuff too, as there should be. I wonder if this would count as a mask. Ewok plushies, Porgs. It's a figure. Dang, Yoda looks tall. What's wrong with that? That looks wrong. All right, friends, as usual, the mission to Mars was a total success, and it was all because of me. No, that's not true. Of course, I had some help with my teammates. We were missing a commander, I think it was, but with me as the navigator, and we had, no, I was the engineer. I'm sorry, I was the engineer, and we also had a pilot and a navigator. So they helped a little bit, but it was really all me. All right, friends, welcome to the Creations Shop. This is the brand new store here in Epcot. They have all kinds of cool goodies, and we're gonna go check it out right now. Let's go see what they got. Starting off with some Epcot themed merch. We've got t-shirts, we've got tumblers, we've got Spaceship Earth hats. Very cute, very cute. It's a very fancy shop. This shop replaced Mouse Gear, I believe it was. Here we've got some very fancy display cases of more of the Spaceship Earth stuff. Also got, it's really hard to see with the bright light coming off of it, but it's a Figment shirt. One Little Spark, all that kind of stuff. There's more fancy jewelry and fancy bags, Marvel Loungefly bags. Got bracelets and things, cute. Over here we've got the Nuimos. This is one of their new merchandise things where they have the little plushy characters. You got Pooh, you got Tigger. I'm getting blurry. There we go. Ariel and Jasmine, Jack and Sally. Got Stitch and Pink Stitch, whatever that thing's name is. There's Donald and Daisy and Minnie and Mickey. And we even got Mickey doing some hang gliding. Okay. Wow, look at that art. That is really cool. They even have fitting rooms so you can try on the clothes you're about to buy. That's impressive. I've never seen a fitting room in Disney before. Here we've got the toy section, it looks like. Got the dolls for the young ones. We got Mulan over here. There's Belle and Ariel and Raya from Raya and the Last Dragon. I haven't seen that movie yet. Got some princess dresses for the little ones. Take a look down over here. Get some mini. This is the Minnie Mouse section. It looks like everything's very mini themed. Little mini dresses, ears, keychains, or earrings. That's what those are. Those are earrings. This is the much smaller Mickey section. I guess Minnie is a lot more popular than Mickey is now. And we got the Toy Story stuff over here. The claw. There's Rex. There's Emperor Zurg. And a Spoonie hat. Mike Wazowski. It looks just like him. We found the Star Wars section, folks. So you know we got to be checking it out. Starting off with Wanted, the Child. It's a puzzle. It's a 1,000-piece puzzle set. Cool. We got a big old statue of Din Djarin over here. Mr. Mandalorian himself. There's Mando's helmet right there. Let's see if I can find a good one. It's really hard with the lights coming off the back of it to like get a good shot, but that one's pretty good. There you go. That looks pretty cool. I wonder how much that is. I don't see any prices on it. Oh, we got our Spider-Man merch over here. The little kid stuff though. I don't see any adult size shirts. Here's our spooky merch. It is not quite October yet, but we're ready. We're ready. And then this part of the video is especially for my parents. Yes, it's one of those. So if you guys are seeing this, you know what this is about. Yep. So that is the Creations shop. It's full of all kinds of crazy goodies, wicked spooky. It smells like chocolate. I'm gonna go head outside, see if I can find some food. All right, friends, we found the first of tonight's food booths. Mac and Eats. I've been waiting for this booth. This is the one I really wanted. And I think I'm about to go with that cowboy macaroni and cheese, served with smoked pork belly, brisket, burnt ends, pickled peppers, and onion straws. Sounds absolutely amazing. My mouth is watering. I can't speak anymore. I'm gonna go get this food and I'll show you me eating it in a moment. Okay, friends. This is the cowboy mac and cheese. It's macaroni and cheese with brisket, pork belly, pickled onions or whatever. I already can't remember. I just want to eat it. All right, guys, let's try this. We get a big piece of meat or a small piece, whatever. Some of the mac. All right, here we go. Bon appetit. Oh man, guys, Food and Wine Festival is amazing. Go to Epcot during the fall season. Come eat this food. It's fantastic. Let's have some more. So we got a piece of the pickled pepper or whatever it is. I don't know what it is. All I know is that it's delicious. Here we go.
They're probably not used to it actually happening.
God. It's got some spicy in it too. Very good, very good. Woo. It's got a kick. It's probably that pepper. All right, guys, next up, flavors from fire. Looks tasty already. And I'm going to be going with the corned beef corner route. I'm guessing this is very football oriented. That's okay. But the main reason I want this dish is because it's part of, what's it called? Emil's Fromage Montage. Yes, that's this thing here on the passport, Emil's Fromage Montage. If you get all 5 of these items from the Food and Wine Festival, you get a free thing from Shipping Sips. I don't know exactly what it is, but I want it. I have already gotten the passion fruit cheesecake for the last time I was here. You can barely see the stamp, but it is there. I had thought I got gypped, I didn't get it. But now I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the corned beef corner route to get another stamp. And yeah, I still have, this goes until the end of the festival. So the end of November, or whenever this ends, is when that is done. So I have to do it by then, but I got plenty of time. But I'm still hungry, so let's go ahead and get in line to get the corned beef corner route. All right, guys, we've got our corned beef corner route. It's got obviously corned beef. It's got potato chips. It's got cheese curds. It's got cheese sauce. It's got scallions. Looks like also red onions on top. I actually can't tell what that is. All I know is that it looks absolutely freaking delicious, and it was only like $5.50. And it's pretty freaking big. I don't know if you could tell. So like, here's my hand. And that's how big it is. It's the size of my hand. All right, friends, it's time to eat. Deconstruct this a little bit. See if I can get like a forkful. This is difficult with one hand. All right, let's just try a little bit of the beef, a little with a cheese curd, and see what it's like. Okay. Here we go. That's really good. That's really, really tasty. Let's try and get a bite with a chip in it. Yes, I know, I'm eating a potato chip with a fork. I'm some kind of uncivilized weirdo. But I gotta hold the phone at the same time that I hold the food. It doesn't work. These are the things you do for the vlogs. All right. All right, well, that's not working. I'm gonna put the fork down and go for the chip with my fingers. That's tasty. And now I'm gonna eat the rest of it without you watching me. So I'll see you in a minute. All right, friends, I just finished eating that absolutely delicious corned beef corner route, as it was called. Massive, I'm so full now. So I need to go take a seat, and what better way to take a seat than to go ride Spaceship Earth. It's a slow-moving, long ride, giving me a chance to digest some of this heavy, heavy meat that is now in my stomach. But I am also waiting on Test Track's weight to go down a little bit. Hopefully it does. I also do want to stay for fireworks tonight. I want to see them. I want you to see them. So that is the plan. I'm going to go head over to Spaceship Earth and take a nice chill ride through the history of communication. That was a nice, slow-moving ride through the journey and history of communication on Spaceship Earth. For some reason, Test Track is still at a 45-minute wait, but I am gonna go get in line for it now because I want to be able to see the fireworks after that. All right, friends, fantastic news. Test Track has a single rider line, and I'm gonna go get on it. How's my hair? All right, friends, it's time for some dessert. I'm not 100% sure which the chef's donut of the day is, but we're gonna check it out. If it's not something too great, I might have to go with the candy jar donut. I know it's huge, but I do need something sweet. All right, guys, you are seeing what you think you're seeing. This is the maple bacon donut. Yeah. Okay, friends. This is gonna be messy, but oh my God, I'm very excited. Maple and bacon, it's already two of my favorite things. And a donut on top of it, yo. It's huge. Cheers. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do you like breakfast? This is a donut for you. Maple syrup, bacon, and donut. How can you go wrong? How can you go wrong? You can't. You can't. I'm gonna take another bite on camera, and I'm gonna eat this to my face. You don't want to see that. Trust me, you don't. But I'll take one more bite for you guys. Ready? Yep. Super messy. Totally worth it. And only $5. All right, guys, I just finished eating that maple bacon donut, and I didn't even realize that when I was eating it in the last clip that it was filled with like a maple syrup kind of. Oh man, I feel like I just had breakfast. It was amazing. All right, guys, I found a pretty decent spot to sit for the fireworks show, so that's where I'm gonna be sitting for a little while. I'm not doing any more rides. I'm just here to watch the fireworks, and that'll be it.
should I say, your future.
If we can dream it, then we can do it. Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
Here we go through the universe of energy, feeling cold. See it all. It's the universe of energy. The universe of
Soaring to tower, we are ready for takeoff.
Magic journeys, majestic flights, on the wings of unexpected sounds and
And so, as you can plainly see, imagination works best when it's set free.
making memories, taking pictures is making memories, catching little pieces of time, making them yours, making them mine. Veggie fruit, veggie fruit, veggie fruit, veggie fruit.
peace go with you forever and ever as you celebrate the future hand in hand.
Epcot is, and will always be in a state of becoming. It will never cease to be a living blueprint of the future.
All right, guys, that was a really, really beautiful fireworks show. I can't wait for you to see it, and you will have seen it at this point in the video anyway, so I hope you enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed watching it, I enjoyed filming it, and I definitely enjoyed my night here at Epcot. I had some delicious food, I got to ride some awesome rides, and I got to get on the test track within 5 minutes instead of 45 minutes. So that's fantastic. I definitely recommend single rider lines, unless you're averse to splitting up from your party if you're not here by yourself. If you guys like the video, please be sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of my content. Leave a comment down below. What are some of your favorite rides here at Epcot? Have you seen Epcot Forever, the fireworks show? And are you looking forward to whatever the new one's called? I'm sorry I can't remember it. Please educate me in the comments. I would love to hear it. Until next time, guys, be sure to like, follow, subscribe, share. You can also follow me on Twitter. You can follow me on Twitch. All those links are down in the description below. I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.